let me talk in this video about one of most interesting searching algorithm, name it a quick sort. So from its name, a quick sort, more of research proved that this algorithm give you a result faster from any other algorithm, but still this algorithm is worse in using time complexity only, not space complexity. So yes, if you think I have this array and I ask you to, hey, find me or sort it using quick sort. For quick sort, first thing you have to do, you have to find a pivot. There are different ways of find pivots. Some of them finding as a first element, some of them last, and some of them would consider the middle is the pivot element for it. Okay, so first I select pivot. When I select pivot, now I have two array. One array of the left and one array of the right. So now the pivot is 4. So what I will do, I say, okay, come from this side and see if you have element a greater than pivot, stop. So is 6 greater than pivot? Yes, so stop. Then I go from this side. If you have element less than pivot, stop. So he will move his hand this way. Is 1 less than pivot? Yes, so stop. When he stop here and here, so he will do swap between this one and this one. So he take 1 and 6. You say, okay, add 1 here, add 6 here. And he will continue same process. Now he did the first element, now he go to the next location. Is this one greater than pivot? Yes, so stop. He will move. Is this one greater than pivot or less than pivot? No, so move next. Is this one less than pivot? Yes, so now yes, I would replace this one with this one. So if you see, he just ignored this one because it is greater, so there is no problem. So I just say do swap between what? Between 8 and 3. So take 3 added here and take 8 added here, and you are good to go to the next. So now that side is sorted, this side is okay. So now do you know what he will do? Now after he just divided, now he will do same process for this section and same process for this section. That means this section he will take the pivot, he will sort the element, he say, okay, this one less, yes, I need to replace 1 by 3, so add 1 here, add okay, 1 2 3, so it's already sorted, so you have 1, it will be 1 2 3 finally. And this one he will continue some process. 8 have here, so you replace 8 by 6. You say, okay, take 6 and take 8 and take 6 and this way 6 8 up. You have 6 here and 8 here, and he continue with same process. If you see, now I just get it sorted. I think 1 2 3 4 6 8 8. But the idea that you have to understand it with a quick sort, you first select pivot, then you have 2 array. That right? Yes. Now you have 3 element here and 3 element here, and now you select the pivot here and the pivot here, and you continue selecting pivot. So the idea here, you say, okay, I have now 1 by came 2, then 2 will be 4. You say this one take log n, but you are not right here. Because quick sort is not always suppose that the element that you selected as the pivot is the middle element. Is a like middle element in the value, I mean by that. Imagine this one will be 10. Is there any sorting will happen? No. I know it's be a little bit complex for you. Let me give it to you in the easy way now. If I suppose I have it in this way, okay, and I decide this one a pivot and this middle, so I need to move here and move here. Imagine this one is the large one, so there is no split will happen. So second try it is still same, and third try still same, but you're still sorting, but the array is not divided as you think, because the value still you selected is the larger one or the less one if the array is sorted. So this process will take n time for n elements, for n by n, so a quick sort will be n square. Take as time. For space, it will take log n. It is better than other algorithm for spacing. But as I told you, the problem that happen with sorting for quicksort is in some cases, not all cases, the value that is selected, maybe the array already sorted, so the value is a larger one. So you will not see next try as 2 array. Still same 1, 1, 1. Still continue 1 and you arrange them, 1 and arrange them, because the value that is selected is the larger one. Maybe it's happened if you have like here in this way. In this way you have this element, for example, and you have 1, 8, 2, 10, and 10 is the larger one. So now when you try to do next process, still the 10 is the large one, so you did not divide. Imagine this process continue next, and your array will never go to the next 2 and select pivot. Still your array in other step continue, and the worst case scenario still in the 2, still in the 1. So this is the problem with the quicksort. So yes, here we done, and thank you for watching.